What's going on, everybody? I apologize for the wind. It's a hell of a storm been coming through here. You see my swing has been blowed over. But anyway, I haven't made a video in a while. I just want to get out and try to cruise around a little bit. I'm still sick from this damn tick bite, so I've got another doctor appointment to go to Thursday. See what happens there. But anyway, we got Team Wolf in there. I don't have any interior. He's just in there. His arm is zip tied. Well, not really zip tied. It's got a bread tie holding it to the battery tray. So he's probably going to be upside down and on the other side. But I'm going to cut the window out later, do the whole interior thing later down the line. But I'm not really worried about it right now. But yeah, the winds are ripping still. And I ain't even had no time to cut my grass. I've been sick all week. It sucks. Let's get Adel on down here. Having trouble with my lawnmower not wanting to start either today. Now I don't feel like messing with it. As you can see, I need to get over here and get this trimmed up. Just kind of bored today. Again, I haven't been out all week. More than a week, almost 2 weeks. Oh, there we go. Need that thing wrapping all around everything. Heck with it. I figure since I got Marty McFly, why not have Team Wolf? I like Michael J. Fox. I think he's a great guy, great actor. I need to just start piling up some different rocks over here or something. I just think it looks more proper to at least have somebody sitting in there. He could sit on a 5-gallon bucket for all I care. Seems like I got the trim turned up or something. I know it can't be. These big bumpers are some massive hogs. Nope, I did have the diffs locked. Man, I feel like dog crap. I can't believe how long this has lasted. It was worth a try. Got this thing wrapped here. This bungee winch barely stretches long enough for it to do it that way. It is kind of fun being able to unlock and lock some differentials just for that reason. I mean, it's different. But right here, you definitely need to lock them. Damn back bumper. Something's hanging me up. Damn it. Every time it's that damn bumper. There we go. My sign under fell over there. What the heck with it? Yeah, if I get back on my feet next few days, I gotta get my yard cut and course maintenance. Start adding on, hopefully. It is cool though. As soon as you unlock them diffs on the front, you can just tell it steers better all of a sudden. A lot sharper. This is probably my favorite truck to watch go around the course now. Even though it is a Lexan body, they did put a lot of detail into it. I don't know if you guys have seen the new SCX 10.3, the one that's the cheapest one they got so far, and they claim it kind of performs better than the other ones, but it's the ugliest truck by far. It's got some kind of knockoff body on it. But the whole point of that truck, I believe, is to get something in the price range like TRX Sport did and all that, which is awesome. Half the time I just change the body anyway, so I might actually look into that, the new SCX 10.3. I can't remember what they're calling it, but it don't have no inner fenders, none of that. It's supposedly that Harley Designs, he tested it out and he says it kind of performs better than both the other SCX 10.3s. His opinion anyway. And he comps a lot. He knows a hell of a lot more about it than I do, so I think it'd be worth checking into, because I'd probably just put a Chevy body on it or something anyway. Crowline. But yeah, the body he had on the video I seen was the ugliest green you could ever have. Maybe in about 13 years, Axial will send me something to play with. They probably wouldn't give me a set of free ball bearings in 13 years. Well, that little bread tie is holding him in position pretty well. Now you can tell I'm just bored. Like I said, this is my first time out of the house in over a week. I gotta do something about that little setup, but this truck is just fun. I don't give a shit. I mean, look at that damn radius. Ain't no other fucking truck I've ever had that can just do that. I mean, barely turn. And this ain't no full-size pallet either. This is like a little mini pallet. If you're going by scale size there, that thing's about half the size of a pallet. Well, alright guys. Sorry about the wind. I'm sure it's gonna suck in the video. But I just had to get outside and get rolling with a video today. I ain't played with my RC cars, and I've barely even looked at them in the house. So hopefully next video I can get back to doing something on the course or something. So until next time, and don't forget, check for ticks. Them suckers just about killed me. That's what it feels like anyway. So peace everybody.